So my wife surprised me on my birthday and got me an electric skateboard. This video is not about the skateboard and not even about skating in general. It's about how to stay mentally healthy when you are working as a software engineer. I've spoken with and mentored enough software engineers to know that stress and anxiety are quite common within our field. The most important skill that you can develop as a software engineer is the ability to switch off. A lot of us don't get to experience enough of that day to day, but you might have experienced it when you take a vacation, when you completely disconnect from the digital world and think about nothing but the present. So when we take a vacation, we come back as better software engineers, so cultivating the same effect and doing activities that force us to be in nothing but the present help keep us working at a steady pace. You will find that a lot of successful software engineers do have something like this in their life. It might be motorcycling, cycling, playing musical instruments, snowboarding, skiing, surfing, something involved enough to bring all your energy into the now. Now, some of these activities can be exhausting in their own right, and I'm not here to tell you how to live your life and that there is only one way of doing things. In fact, I dabble in a number of things. I play the guitar, I hike with friends, I like to bike, I play tennis, I like going to the gym, and right now what I am finding most relaxing between meetings is going for a skate and getting some fresh air. I guess the thing that I want you to take away from this is that think about things other than software engineering to help you relax and just switch off. You'll sleep easier and it just might make you better at what pays your bills.